Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over, are you allowed to promote your eBay store on OfferUp? Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have an eBay store already and want to go ahead and get more exposure using OfferUp. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but to simply put, you are allowed to promote your eBay listings and store on OfferUp. However, it just doesn't make sense to do so. So what I mean by that is that you can't link to your eBay store on OfferUp. If you put an external link within the description of your OfferUp listings, it is going to be removed. What you can say though is that in the description, you can say something like, if you want to check out my eBay store, visit my store on eBay, whatever.com, or not .com, but just simply the name of your eBay store. But if you think about the customer experience, it's going to be really hard for them to search up your eBay store manually just to find the item. So what I recommend doing instead is that you sell your listings on your eBay store, but those actual listings, you actually also post it on OfferUp as well. So you have an entity on eBay and then you have an entity on OfferUp. And although they're not combined, that's the best way that I've approached it as far as selling listings on both eBay and OfferUp. And again, if you just think about the customer experience, it doesn't make sense for them to manually search up an item on eBay and for them to have to go out of their way just to find the listing in order to purchase that product. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and answer this question. If you guys know of a better or easier way to answer this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.